So now, let's go ahead and join all the meshes into one unique model in a 3D software, as you usually do. I will take all these meshes that I downloaded from the site and import them into your preferred software. I will use Blender because it's my main software. So when I do it, So for the references, we need to use the same start image that we separated in AssetHub to generate the pieces. So this one is the image of the full body model with all the items. The boots and shoes are not in orthographic shape, so we need to pay attention during the kit bashing, because the orthographic view will look a little different. So to start, we're going to align the image at the center of the world. And here is my center line. So I'm basing it on this one and on the face, because the face is the most symmetrical part of the model. So I think it's good enough. And I will start with the face. So I move and scale to match the reference as accurately as possible. To do it more easily, we can use X-ray view in Blender, because this way we can see the silhouette of the model in white. And with this, we can have better control of the shape of the model. Basically good, I think. The sculpting mode is the best one to move and have more control of the shapes. I also use the wireframe view to get a little more accuracy in the shapes and move and fine-tune shapes like the chin, for example. But I think this is good. I will try to symmetrize to keep it more accurate, but it's already symmetrized, so I have the same model. Okay, so let me see. I think it's good. Just the ear is a little bit off. I can adjust it a bit more like this. Yes, I think it's good. Let me check in the 3D view. Seems good to me. I think the face is okay. So I can just do some manual adjustment. Use merge by distance to remove duplicate meshes. So the next one, I will do the eyes, eyelids, and eyebrows. For this, we also need to create a sclera because we didn't generate it, and this will need to be done manually. First, I will merge by distance. And in Blender, to do merge by distance, just use the shortcut M on your keyboard. Or you just go here in Mesh and find merge by distance. So all the duplicate meshes will be deleted. So first, I will remove and separate each element like this. Done. And I will do a little adjustment to the iris. To do it, I just scale on this axis. Fix this axis. I think it's good enough. So here. And I will position this in the correct place here. Check again here. Yes, I think it's good. Mirror. Now let's do the eyebrows. Eyebrows here. Set to origin. I set the origin to the geometry to have more control of the rotation and scaling of the model in object mode. So when I position it here, I can also add the mirror modifier and check now in the 3D view. Need to move it more to the front. And we need to rotate this a little bit. Just adjust, and I think it's good. Seems good to me. You can check in X-ray and in wireframe mode. So now eyelids. Origin the geometry. And let's do it. Position here. Add the mirror modifier as well. And scaling and rotating this to a more accurate place. So now I will do some adjustments in this view. And merge by distance, duplicates are also removed. In sculpt mode, I will do some manual adjustments to give a more beautiful shape and better result. I just use the Move Sculpt brush and smooth them to modify the shape and move things into place, and I think it's good. I can do more adjustment here. And here, I think it's good enough. Some more smooth, shape-smooth clicks, and check in the 360 view. Let me show you. I don't need this because I can just go to the texture mode. So for now, we need to create a sclera to give a better shape. To do it, you can use whatever method you prefer, but I will do something simple. Just take this mesh and add a circle. Just place the circle somewhere here, and with the circle selected, I just position it more or less in front of the model. Use the Shrinkwrap modifier, target this mesh, and set to above surface. And do some adjustment here. And use Subdivision surface first to get a better result. And add a mirror modifier to symmetrize for the other side. And here I will do some basic adjustments to move the vertices closer to the corner of the eye. So here. And here, and here. I think it's good. It doesn't need to be super accurate, just adjust this one. I don't need subdivision surface now. Just adjust this to here. And it's okay. When I apply the shrink wrap, I will just select this, press G to move, and then AX to move it back. And now I will extrude one time here. Extrude again and scale this extrusion to 0. Remove the loops, and with this merged here, I just add some loops to make it more circular. I will recalculate the normals. In Blender, use Shift+N to recalculate, then shade smooth. Side. Okay, I have some artifacts here. I can just fix some edges here, here, and here. Okay, looks good. And here. Okay, I think it's good enough. So now we have the complete face of the model. So next, I will add the body shape. But if you remember, the body has very bad hands. So I just put it in a separate collection to have more control of the organization, and I will now adjust the body shape with the new hand shapes. I will just need to see these two. And to do it better, I will use a simple method. First of all, remove this one and position the good hands more or less in the same place as the old hands, adjusting scale and position. Some rotations. And here. And I think it's good. This is the new hand, and this is the bad old hand. So now I can mirror. Oh. Before mirroring this hand, to get the best fit here, I will use quad Remesher. Quad Remesher. You can use it with high poly shape, 99%, and X symmetrize, just to get a model with quads, so we will have more control of the mesh to join the hands. You will see what I do. Let me remesh it. Okay, with the body remeshed, it's basically the same as the high poly. So I have these vertices to exclude. When I exclude this one, I will have it symmetrized here. Perfect. I will do something similar with the hand. You don't need to change anything. Just deactivate the X symmetrize because it's only one hand and remesh it. Let's wait until the remeshing process is done. And remesh is useful. So here we have a very dense model, but no problem, because we only need high poly. I don't like this mesh because it doesn't have clean loop cuts here. So I will try another attempt for a better result. I will adjust it to maybe 98. Okay, let's try with these settings. Waiting again. Perfect. Let's see if we get a better result. And loops. Perfect. Now we have a mesh with good loops here. What we need is to select this loop, separate or exclude, and then join this with this. There's no problem with the difference in vertex count to join. This is 82 and this is 48. This is no problem for now because this is only a high poly mesh. So we just use this and do bridge edge loops. That's no problem, and symmetrize to the other side. In sculpt mode, use smooth. The shortcut is shift on your keyboard, just to give a more natural joint here. With grab, do some adjustments too. So look, you need to activate X symmetrize to apply the same modification to the other side. I forgot, but no problem. We can symmetrize manually after making these adjustments. So I think it's good enough. Symmetrize. And that's it. Now we have a good high poly model with good hands. The feet are okay. No need to worry about them now. So this is the difference. The old high poly mesh with very bad hands, and the new one with good hands. So with the new one, we can also apply, and now we can use this one to match with the reference shape. So I will activate the head again and try to do the best fit possible. Here is okay. Just do it. Move this forward, back a little bit. Here. So I think we don't need this detail on an anime body, so I can just move here to create a smoother neck. Here. This is good. I can pose the arms a little bit to... Okay. Here. Here. I think this is good. So with grab, do some more adjustments here and here. I think it's good enough. No need for very expensive adjustments because the jacket will cover this, and before that, we can adjust again. Okay, the body is okay, and now I'm done. Done with the body. Let me hide this again to choose the next one, the hair. With the hair, we need to apply something like this for a better result. So in the model, okay, the hair is much more difficult because it has some strands, and it's harder to match how the hair looks. But we can do the best we can. I will set to erase. Okay. In sculpt mode, I do fine adjustments. I can use topology for auto mask so I won't move undesired pieces of the hair. So here, here, and here. And this one, this one. Now the more difficult part. We need to do the best possible to match the reference. A little bit here. Here. and this one, and this one. This one. This. Let me see. Okay. Okay, I will show you. It's a very big head here, so I just resize it on the y-axis a little bit. I think it's good enough, so I just put the back of the body. This arm here. Back of the body. And it is done. I think we got a good result. Just some smooth to organize the outer meshes. Here. Here. I think that's it. I see it's very similar to the original reference, so I will proceed with the clothes, because the body, head, and hair are done. So, the skirt. I will just put it here. Oh, I need to adjust this one first. Yeah, the legs don't match the reference, so let me adjust them. Okay. With quads in the body, it's very useful to do this adjustment because we have very good control of the mesh. So you don't need to only use sculpt mode, you can also adjust in edit mode as well. Smooth here. Here. So, I think this is good. And that's it. Perfect. So, okay, a little bit more adjustment here to match the front shape. So with all of this done, we just need to match the clothes and accessories with the reference. The face, hands, hair, and body are all done. For the clothes, we can start with the body switch. And we can start with this one. So do this. This. Here, I think it's good enough. So this works. Just some adjustments with the move and grab sculpt brushes. And let's see. And I think it's okay like this. Perfect. So now we can do the boots. The boots are easier to do. And like I said before, the reference isn't orthographic in this area, so we need to do some manual adjustment with a bit of artistic judgment for a better result. So let's see. The size is okay, and I think it's okay like this. And body switch. Here. Okay, it's good. What is it? The hand. So let's see. So let's adjust here to do the best fit possible. I'll hide her to see better. For the first time, I think it's better practice to do it like this. Okay, like this. Okay, I think it's okay like this. Now we just do some adjustments. Okay, here. Some adjustments here. Here. Like this. It's almost there. So like this, it fits very well. Okay, I think it's good enough. Let's check the reference. Yeah, it's the back, and here is the front. The front is okay. Just here and here and here. Yeah, I think it's good enough like this. And so for now, I just need to do the jacket. Let's see the reference and do some adjustments. Here. Here. Just checking some things like this. And here, I will do some smooth here. Yeah. So for the last part, the skirt. Here. Check here and here. Just adjusting the shape here and... Oh, let's first do merge by distance. Just a little bit of shaping. Here and here. Just do some adjustments like this. like this. Let me grab with more pressure. Adjust here. More here. Here, I think it's good enough. Let me see the reference. Need to adjust like this. I think it's good enough. So this part, you will decide how much time you spend on adjustments to fit the shape with the reference. I think this shape is very good. Just some adjustments here and here. So let me see the complete model. Okay, I think like this is better. Okay. Okay, like this. Perfect. More like this. This. I see we just need a little more work on the jacket here. Perfect, I think that's it. Let me turn around. And just need a little bit here. Here. Seems very good to me. So now let me check the reference here. Okay, the shape of the skirt is a little off because I need to straighten it from here to here. And then, I think that's it. It's done. Let's finalize the mesh shape adjustments and join everything. It's done. And this is the result. If you only need high poly, this is it. If you need low poly, like such as for gaming, we have AI retopology, UV unwrapping, and AI texturing features. Let me share it at the next video.